Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to remove social media icons from your WordPress website in 2025. So whether they are showing in the header, footer or sidebar, this particular tutorial will be quick and easy, and the best part is that you don't need any coding experience. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you need to come in your WordPress admin dashboard. Over here, simply hover over to the appearance section and click on the option of customize. You can also first click on your theme and then you can come here in this section. Now over here you need to look for the section that is called header, footer and social links. So this actually depends on the theme that you are using. Currently, as you can see in my theme, I don't have any social media icon available, but if it is available in your theme, it will be here in the left hand section. So you need to click on the section where it is available and click on the delete option. Now either uncheck the social media platforms, and you can also simply delete the widgets displaying the icons. You can also first go to the widgets option and then you can try to find that particular icons which are available here. Once you are done doing this, simply click on the publish option here in the top and you are done. You can also remove the social media icons from the widgets. So if the icons are in the sidebar or in the footer, you can just simply go back, and now in the appearance, instead of clicking on customize, you can click on the widgets option. Now here you need to find the widget area like the footer or the sidebar where the social media icons are showing. For example, let's say these are showing in the footer most probably. So you need to click on it. Now after clicking on it, you will be able to see the remove option right next to it. So you need to simply click just like so and then click on the delete or the remove option just like so. So this way you will be able to delete it very easily. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.